This is the O.S.P. Mylar Minnow. Let's rig this cool looking weight onto a Ryugi Vespa jig head. This method isn't the standard way to rig a jig head, but is popular in Japan for the strolling method. Threading through the hook point, and then back under the top skin of the lure. Just like a running stitch. With this setting, we can allow the lure to produce a rolling action more easily than with standard rigging. Okay, O.S.P. Mylar Minnow jig head rig. Let's go. Hello, Waki here. This video introduces a popular technique in Japan, mid-strolling, which is becoming extremely popular in the United States. I haven't mastered this technique yet. Consider this video a journey towards becoming a strolling master where I share my attempts, learning process, and mistakes along the way. Don't expect big catches in this video, but I believe it could still be interesting for anglers who are at a similar skill level to mine. Hope you find it enjoyable! O.S.P. Mylar Minnow. Okay, let's meet the strolling. Wow, the water looks green, like Japanese green tea. Very bad. Very bad. Just strolling. Yes. Let the lure stroll in the middle range. Shaking the line. Cast. Shake the line. Don't shake the lure. Send a signal to the lure. Hey, let's roll. Yeah. Never dirt the lure. Eye motion plus rolling. This is a strolling technique. No bait fish around. The water condition is very bad. It will be a tough day. Need to be patient. I hope in an hour the fish school is coming up to the surface. Then it will be the time to catch fish. Until then, let's practice. Let's practice. Let me confess, I'm not yet mastered this technique. I'm still in training. In other words, try and error. I have caught many fish by using this technique, but not yet 100% confident if I'm doing properly or not. Checking out the internet, there are so many strolling masters articles. I'd say many of them unnecessarily promote themselves by saying, "Your mid-strolling is wrong, mid-strolling is not that easy, blah blah blah." I don't believe it, but this technique is a bit tricky. Since we can catch fish, even we do wrong strolling. When fish is active, fish would make a bite anyway. So, again, I'm not confident if I'm doing properly or not. But what I need is only practice, practice, practice. More fish bites I have, I can be more confident. SHIMANO, a Japanese bass pro, Kyoya Fujita, won the competition, the opening competition of the Bassmaster Elite Series 2024. Wow, congrats, Kyoya! It's great! It's great. He caught over 100 pounds. So that he's now eligible to join Bassmaster Century Club. Ooh, super cool. He won the match by using this technique, mid-strolling. On the stage, he disclosed his winning pattern. One of them was Sakamata Shad, mid-strolling. I'm not using depth Sakamata Shad today. I'm using O.S.P, Mylar Minnow. But anyway, this technique has been super popular in Japan for long years. And now, in the United States, many bass anglers witnessed how effective this technique is. I foresee many anglers soon begin practicing this technique. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Bait fish is a key factor for this fishing. Since unlike Kyoya, I don't have a live scope. Yeah, no live scope. I'm a poor bronc angler. Come on. Okay. 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 Oh, it's gone. That's fine. Oh, いた。いたいたいた。That's fine, that's fine. It's a bit bummer, yeah, but that's fine. This is a practice. I got a bite. That's great. I need more. Let's keep fishing. Ah. I need a bite. I need a bite. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Yes. Yes? No! The one I missed was much, much, much bigger than this. Mid-Strolling, O.S.P, Mylar Minnow. How many of these I need to catch to hit 100 pound? That Kyoya's winning weight. Oh, yes. It's Bass. Yes, Bass is chasing. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, small one. But okay. O.S.P. Mylar Minnow. Mid-Strolling. Whoa, that must be a bass. Ooh. Come on. Make a bite. Make a bite on my lure. Okay. Last small. No, not this size I want. O.S.P. Mylar Minnow. Mid-Strolling. Cute one. Bye.